Welcome to SR&RTV. I'm Derek Stone, and today we're going to be changing a toilet fill valve. So one of the main reasons you want to change these out is because people complain maybe of their toilet running constantly. That's always a problem, the fill valve. Sometimes there's a lot of lime in the water and it causes that to happen. They just wear out. I know this is our Airbnb house, and I know that we have to change them out every 2 years because there's so much lime in the water. So yeah, keep watching. So first of all, you want to shut off the supply line, the water supply line down here. So we got that shut off. Now you're going to open the toilet bowl lid up. So as you can see, when you take that valve off down there, the rest of the water that's in the toilet bowl is going to come out, so that's why we have this bowl down here to catch it. Okay, so now you're going to pull the guts itself out, so you're going to pull this black hose out. And this is the old one we're replacing. Okay, so now you have that white piece, we're going to take that white piece out. That's going to go in the trash as well. So this is the one, we got these from Walmart. You can get them at Home Depot, Lowe's, any hardware store usually carries them. Unboxed. So you have your hose that'll connect, down here on that piece. And then you're going to take this black piece out. It's going to connect right there. And that's how that should look once you get it complete. So you've got that with the black hose connected to the bottom. So we're going to put that in, and we're going to reattach it with the white one that was already on here. It comes with a new one, by the way. I guess I could use that new one. So you just stick this down in there, all the way down to the bottom. You get your cap, and you just thread that on. That's why I put some rags down there. See that water coming out? You're going to want to get this on there as tight as you can get it, or it will leak. Alright, that's as tight as I can get it. And you're going to take this black hose right here, and you're going to see that clip is not quite attached. So you're going to put that end on the inside so that hose can spray inside the pipe. Just like that. So that's going to flush down in there. And then now you're going to reconnect your supply line. Push that in there. Bring the bottom up to it. Okay. Now with these, if you have the metal supply lines, they're a lot easier sometimes, but these white ones on the last two, I've had them leak on me, so we're gonna hope that it doesn't leak when we turn this on. All right. So as you can see, the water is pouring through that black jet down under the hole. And what'll happen is, it'll fill the toilet up, and then that black float will start to rise. It's like watching water boil. There it goes. See, as that starts to move up, it pushes it off. And there you go. Now all you gotta do is replace the lid and you're good to go.